Namaste and welcome to day 18th of October Yoga Challenge. Let's start. As usual, we'll start with a humming sound three times. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in, breathe out with a smile. Breathe in for making a humming sound. And while making a humming sound, keep your attention on the whole body. We let the humming vibration feel in your each and every cell of your body. Okay? So breathe in again. And relax. Wherever your mind is, bring back to this moment here and now. Now slowly and gently open your eyes. So today we will do Vastrika Pranayam. So for Vastrika, what we have to do is we have to sit in Vajrasana like this on your knee and your heels. Okay. So let's sit in Vajrasana on our knee and our heels. And after sitting in Vajrasana, what we do is we make a loose fist, very loose fist in front of the shoulder. Let me show you for few breaths. What we do is breathing in, we take our arms up, straight up and open up our fingers. And breathing out, we bring it back. But when we are breathing out, we breathe out forcefully, like this. In, up, and out, like this. Okay. And we do it for 20-20 breaths. 20-20 breaths, 3 rounds. So let's start. Close your eyes. Make a loose fist in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. One. In. Two. In. Three. In. Four. In. Five. In. Six. In. Seven. In. Eight. In. Nine. In. 10. In. 11. In. 12. In. 13. In. 14. In. 15. In. 16. In. 17. In. 18. In. 19. In. 20. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Feel the sensations inside the body. Vastrika is also known as instant energizer. Let's get ready for second round of Vastrika. Loose fist in front of the shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath in. One. In. Two. In. Three. In. Four. In. Five. In. Six. In. Seven. In. Eight. In. Nine. In. 10. In. 11. In. 12. In. 13. In. 14. In. 15. In. 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Okay, let's get ready for third round of Bhastrika. Loose fists in front of your shoulder. Take a normal breath in. Breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Breathe out completely. Together, enthusiastic breath. In, one. In, two. In, three. In, four. In, five. In, six. In, seven. In, eight. In, nine. In, 10. In, 11. In, 12. In, 13. In, 14. In, 15. In, 16. In, 17. In, 18. In, 19. In, 20. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Now, those who are sitting in Vajrasana, they may just switch over to Sukhasana. Massage your legs a little bit if you want. And let's slowly stand up. Let's do some loosening exercise. Okay? Shake your fingers, take your arms up, keep shaking, shake your whole body. Shake, 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 shake. Shake to the right and to the left. Shake. You might have seen dog. If you spray water on the dog, it shakes the whole body. Shake like that. And slowly bring your arms down. Now let's start with the neck. Breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Once again, breathing in, take your head up. And breathing out, chin to the chest. Breathing in, come back to the center. Now gently turn to your right side. Look over your right shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center. Gently turn to the left side, breathing out. Look over your left shoulder. Breathing in, come back to the center. Once again to the right and to the left. Relax, come back to the center. Let's bend our neck to the right side. Bring your right ear closer to the right shoulder. If you want, you can support your head like this little bit. Make sure your left shoulder is still down. And now breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out to the other side. Little bit, little extra with the hand if you want. And breathing in, relax. So let's start with the shoulder. For the shoulder, what we will do today is something funny. I think kids might enjoy. We rotate our hands like this, right? Clockwise. So today, one hand in clockwise and another hand in anti-clockwise. Let's see, start one hand in clockwise, another hand in anti-clockwise. Like this. Yes. Let's try. Come on. Kids can do it. This develops the both the side of the brain. Relax. Now reverse the direction. The hand which was clockwise will go to the opposite direction, and the hand which was anti-clockwise will go to like this. One in clockwise, one in anti-clockwise. Very good. Slowly, if you start, then you catch it up. Start very slow and then you can do it. And relax. Very good. Okay. Now let's move to the left and right. Breathing out, go to the right. In, come back to center and to the left. And relax. Let's work on the waist region. Spread your leg comfortably apart. Push your hips to the left side first. Keep pushing, keep pushing. Left and to the right. Push it fully. Left and right. And let's make a circle. Nice circle. It's good to see the 25 screens in front of me and everybody is doing and all the cameras are on. Opposite direction. And relax. Let's work on the knees. Place the palms on the knees and rotate your knee anti-clockwise, clockwise, and relax. Slowly come up. Stretch your leg, stretch your toes, relax, stretch and relax. And let's rotate your ankle clockwise, anti-clockwise, and relax. Let's do it with the other leg. Stretch your left leg, release, stretch, release, and let's rotate clockwise, anti-clockwise, and relax. Okay, so kids might have forget how to do camel. So let's do camel pose today. Place your right palm over your left palm at this height. Make a hump of a camel. Go down, bend down, and then let's start walking like a camel. Your hump is moving up and down like a camel. Start walking. Continue. Walk like a camel. Enjoy. And come back to center. Let's become a peacock also. Take your palms behind the back, interlace the fingers, stretch your arms, and breathing in, take your head up, and breathing out, bend from your waist and slowly go down as much as you can. And now bend your leg a little bit and start walking. You're a peacock, pecking the grain from the ground. And relax, slowly come up. A good loosening up exercise for your lower back and your upper back. So now let's bring our botheration in our mind and roar like a lion. Okay? So make a claws in front of your chest like this. We'll breathe in and take our tongue out with the eyes wide open. We'll make a roaring sound, not only with the mouth, with each cell of your body. Okay? Let's start. Feel all your botherations going far, far away. You are free with all the botherations. If still anything is left, let's do it one more time for 3 more breaths. Make a claws. Take a deep breath in. Relax. Well done. Feel something has been gone out from your heart region. All the botherations and the emotions get stored in your this region, the chest region, heart region. When we do this exercise, it releases that. Okay. So we proceed with some postures. Let's start with the Tadasana. Breathing in, take your arms up, interlace the fingers, palms facing the sky. Breathing in, come up on your toes, stretch your whole body, stretch your spine. Look at a single point in front of you. You'll be able to hold. And breathing out, relax. Relax your arms. Slowly bring it down. Okay. Now let's do spinal twist, standing spinal twist, Kati Chakrasana. Palms in front of the chest. And breathing out, turn to your right side and look over your right shoulder. Make sure the distance between the both palms remains same. That box is still there intact. And your right big toes is still on the ground. It's not lifting up like this. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out to the left this time. A nice twist is happening on your spine, loosening up all the muscles on the side of your waist. Keep a smile on your face. Enjoy the moments. We will take our mind to the moment, and from moment we go to the stillness at the end. Relax your arms. Breathing in, come back to center and relax your arms. Okay. Now let's do Trikonasana here. Spread your leg 3 to 3.5 feet apart. Now gently turn your right foot 90 degrees outward, the left foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up in line with the shoulder. Breathing out, turn your face to the right side and slide the upper half of your body to the right. Keep sliding, keep sliding. Once you have completely slid, then that is the point you hold. Take one more breath in and breathing out, bend to the right side. Take your right palm just below the knee, right knee, and look over your left palm. Your left is not coming out, up in front. It stays in one plane. Stay there, continue breathing. Do not hold the breath. Follow the three key rules. Relax in the posture, awareness on the breath, and attention on the stressed body part. Breathing in, slowly come up, and breathing out, relax. Let's do it on the other side. Turn your left foot 90 degrees outward, the right foot 10 to 15 degrees inward. Breathing in, take your arms up, in line with the shoulder. Turn your face to the left side. Slide the upper half of your body to the left. Keep sliding, keep sliding. And once you cannot go anymore, that is the point you breathe in and breathing out. Bend to the left side and look over your right. Look to the right palm. Stay there. Take few breaths. Stay in the posture. Breathing in, slowly come up and breathing out. Relax your arms. Okay. We will do one more posture here, which is called as Skandamatasana. Spread your legs comfortably apart, around again 3 to 3.5 feet, and both the feet 45 degrees outward, like this. And now slowly go down. Come on your knees, go down, and place the palms on your knees. Make sure your back is straight. Very good. Stay here. Take few breaths. You may join your palms in front of the chest, like this. Enjoy. And breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, relax, loosen up your legs. Okay. Now let's come to the front of the mat. We will do Surya Namaskar with some variations. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1. Namaskarasana. 2. Hastuttanasana. Stay here. Take few breaths here. Hips forward. Head back. Stretch your arms. Breathing in, straighten your body. And breathing out, bend from your waist. Keeping your back straight. Slowly go down. Go down and place the palms by the side of the feet. Once the palms are on the ground, you may bend your knees to place the palms. And then breathing in, straighten your back. Bring your stomach close to the thigh by straightening your back. And breathing out, straighten your leg and bring your body closer to the knee. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, straighten your leg. Take 1 or 2 breaths here. And once again, when you breathe in, take your right leg back in Ashtasanchalanasana. Stay here. We'll do a minor variation here. Just place the right palm on the ground and lift up your left arm up. Look at your left palm. Breathing out, relax your left palm. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Take your left leg back. Body is in straight line in Dandasana from head to the toe. Stay here. Let's do some variation here as well. Now, what we do is we place our right foot in front of the chest, like this on the ground. But the right thigh is exactly in line with the body, not outside. Stay here. Feel the stretch happening on your hip muscles, your pelvic region. And now gently take your palms closer to the waist as much as possible. Listen to your body. Not everybody has same flexibility. You just have to compete with your own self. Whatever you have done yesterday, little bit more today is good enough. Now from here, slowly sliding your arms in front and slowly go down and lie down on your leg. But make sure your body is balanced on both the sides. It's not on the left, it's on both the sides. You feel the stretch happening on your hamstring muscles. Okay. Now breathing in slowly, come out. Palms back to the Dandasana position, the stick position. Now breathe in and take your right leg back. Now let's do it with the left leg. Gently place your left leg in front of the chest. And now slowly take your palms closer to your waist. Bend backwards. Enjoy this stretch. And sliding forward. Okay. Down and lie down on your leg, on your left leg. But your body is balanced on both the sides. It's not moving to the left. If it is happening, you can put a pillow here just to support. Breathing in, slowly come out. And breathing out, take your left leg also back. Again, back to Dandasana. Now, gently place your knees on the ground. Slide your chin forward and come to Ashtanga Namaskar. The 8 parts of the body touching the ground or the mat. Your chin, chest, palms, knees, and toes. Breathing in, Cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. Touch your heels also to the ground. Now, those who are practicing regularly, many of you are practicing regularly almost. So touch your heels also to the ground and bring your chest closer to your thigh. Make a perfect V. And at this point, keep your knuckles up and lift up your right leg. Lift up your right leg straight up.
Relax your right leg. And breathing in, lift up your left leg. Stretch your left leg. Breathing out, relax the left leg. And now, once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your right leg between the palms. Right leg between the palms. Breathing in, lift up your right arm up. Look at your right palm. Breathing out, relax. Yeah. Once again, breathe in and then breathing out. Bring your left leg back between the palms. Breathing in, slowly come up and back. And breathing out, back to Namaste. Very good. Nice stretch of our body. So let's do it with the left leg, the 12 posture on the left leg. Breathe in and out. Namaste. 1, 2, 3, 4 left, 4 left. Hold the breath. Right leg back. Breathing out. Knee chest chin on the ground. Breathing in, cobra. Breathing out, inverted V. In, left leg between the palms. Now breathing out, right leg. In, up and back. And breathing out, namaste. Very good. Okay, let's sit on our imaginary chair pose. Straighten your arms in front. Push your buttocks back. There's a chair far behind you. Go back. Down, down. Make sure your knees are not crossing the toe mark. Knees are still behind. And your back is straight. Once your thigh is exactly parallel to the ground, that is the point you hold. And you may take your arms up. Stay here. Now we are on the third week, almost ending the third week. You can stay for longer time. Stay here and then slowly go down and sit down. Very good. Join your feet together. Bring it closer to the body, as close as possible. Clap your legs. Faster, faster, faster. Okay. Here, let's place both the feet slightly far from your body. Keeping your back straight, slowly go forward and down. Breathing in, slowly come up. And let's do forward bendings here. Paschimottanasana. Straighten your legs, sit in Dandasana, like this. Those who are finding it difficult to sit like this, they can take a pillow here, a small, thin pillow, just to support you. And now breathing in, take your arms up, stretch your spine, and breathing out, keeping your spine straight, your back straight, slowly go down, and hold your leg wherever you can. You hold your knees, your ankle, your shin bone, wherever you reach. Or if you can hold the toes, you hold the toe. Every breath in, straighten your back. And try to touch your stomach to the thigh, breathing in. And then breathing out, slowly go deeper into the stretch. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. Do not overstretch or overdo. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go deeper. Breathing in, straighten your back. And breathing out, go deeper. Listen to your body. Do as much as you can. And stay here wherever you have reached. Relax the posture. Now breathing in, slowly come up. And breathing out, relax your arms. So whenever we do forward bending, we have to do the backward bending. So we do the easy way of backward bending, table pose. Bend your legs, place your feet on the ground, palms behind the body, and breathing in, lift up in table pose. Feel the contraction of the spine. We just did the expansion. We have to counter it with the contraction. Relax. Breathing out, slowly go down. And let's lie down on the stomach. We'll do some lying down postures on the stomach. Palms by the side of your body. Make a fist with your palm like this. Tuck your thumb inside, then close the forefinger and place both the fist around your groin region below the thigh. Once the fists are established, lift both the legs up. Stretch both the legs. Salavasana. Stay there. Feel the contraction of your lower back region. All these exercises are improving our strength and flexibility. Breathing out, relax. Slowly bring both the legs down. Slide your palms and bring it below the shoulder. Breathing in. Slowly come up in Bhujangasana. Smiling Cobra. Breathing out. Relax. Now let's do Dhanurasana, the bow posture. Bend both the legs. Hold the knee. And breathing in, slowly come up in bow posture. Dhanurasana. Breathing out. Relax. Now gently flip over to your back. Let's do some exercise on the back. So as usual, we always do something or the other for our abs region. So today we will do a 90-degree cycling. Bend both the legs 90 degree. Your knee is in line with your hip and your ankle is in line with the knee. Perfect 90 degree. Stay here and let's start making a small circle. Small cycle, just 1 feet circle. Continue cycling. Let's increase the size of this cycle. There's not 2 feet. 2 feet circle. Continue. Now let's make a bigger cycle. One leg straight, another leg close to the body. One leg straight, another leg close to the body. Big cycle. Now let's do the opposite cycling. The cycle has a reverse gear. Big circle in reverse direction. Opposite. Continue. Now back to the 2 feet cycle, 2 feet circle, and then 1 feet. Continue. Do not let go. Continue. Yes, very good. You may notice the effect on your ab muscles. And relax. Relax your leg. Straighten your leg. Now let's do the spinal twist, the lying spinal twist. Spread your arms on both the side of the body. Bend both the legs. Distance between both the legs is slightly more than the hip width apart. Slightly more than the hip width apart. Both the feet are slightly wider than your hip. And now, breathing out, gently drop both the leg to the right side and look at your left palm. Feel the nice, easy twist happening on your spine. Breathing in, come back to the center. And breathing out, drop it to the left side this time. Once again, center and to the right. Come back to the center and to the left. Breathing in, slowly come up and straighten your leg. Relax and let go. What we'll be doing here, we'll be doing a final relaxation by tightening our whole body and then releasing it with making a sound ha. Okay. So let's take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha. Relax. Let's do it one more time. Take a normal breath in, breathe out. Take a deep breath in. Tighten your feet, lower leg, thighs, make a fist, abdomen, chest, throat, face, hold, and ha. Relax. Let go. Drop your whole body weight to the ground. Body is still like a statue. No movement at all. Your eyeballs are still. Slowly, the breath is also becoming stiller and stiller. Gently bring your attention to the right foot. Right lower leg at knee. Right thigh and hip. Whole of your right leg. Move your attention to the left foot. Left lower leg and knee. Left thigh and hip. Whole of your left leg. Genital region. abdomen, stomach near navel region, chest near the heart, right shoulder, and right arm, left shoulder, and left arm, throat and neck region, face, forehead, top of the head, and whole body. Bring the attention to your whole body. Notice the lightness of the whole body. Gently turn to the right side. Keeping your eyes closed, taking support of your arms, slowly sit up. And gently sit in cross-leg position. We will be doing Bhramari Pranayam here. So index finger, place it on your ear leads. We'll be breathing in normally and breathing out. We'll make a humming sound. And while you are making a humming sound, you push your ear leads in and out so that the humming sound vibrates. And feel that vibration in the whole body. And we do it for 5 breaths. Okay. Breathe in. Relax. Palms on your thighs, facing the sky. Keeping your body still. Feel the sensation in your whole body. Keep your spine erect. Body relax and loose. Gently bring the attention to your whole body. Gently bring open your nostrils. Feel the breath going in and out of the nostril. Notice the temperature of the breath. Relax and let go. Let go your effort. Just relax. Gently bring a smile on your face. Then breathe in with a smile. Slowly breathe out with a smile. Become aware of the body and the surroundings. And whenever you feel complete, only slowly and gently open your eyes. So with this, we conclude this session for day 18. Hope you all have enjoyed, relaxed, and calm now. With this, see you all tomorrow, same time, 6:45. Bye bye. Enjoy this relaxation and calmness for a longer time. Don't immediately go and rush on the mobile or anything. Okay. Bye bye. See you all tomorrow, 6:45.